We are back with part 2. Everybody. Oh, multiple punches to the head. Footlin. Oh, what is he thinking here? What? Oh my god. Oh my god, with the wasteland.
$20 people. What the hell is this?
Oh my. That's Luigi. Oh my god. Oh my god, right off the head of. Oh my. Oh my god. That doesn't go very well. Oh my god. What's Cage doing over here? Cut through here. No way. Footlin is choking Devin out with the yardstick. One, two, three.
Let's go.
Oh, let's restart the count. One.
Seriously?
Yeah, you can't touch them.
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, he's good.
You gonna keep counting? Oh!
Oh. Oh my god, right off the head of again. Oh my god, 3 times. Oh my. What's he doing? Well, we know where he is. Don't look for him now.
Where does this bitch keep going?
Oh my god, there he is. They're fighting in the backstage area right now. Oh my god, he looks really, really mad. Oh my god. Catch him. Oh my god, get over here. Oh my god. Oh, he's going. Oh, no way. No way. I mean, you can't escape. Oh, so much confusion. He hung the title up there.
I'll be back for when I win.
You're gonna win, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna win.
Oh, with the multiple punches.
Where you going, huh? Oh,
Oh, he's grabbing that shit.
like I haven't seen this one before. What's up, Blaze? Why?
Oh my god. Oh, are you serious? Does it have to end like this? It's seriously gonna have to end like this.
Oh, fucking angry.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Son of a bitch.
5,
Does this count?
6,
Does this count?
7, 8,
Conspiracy!
9.
This is a conspiracy!
10. Oh my god. Well, here's your winner, and still the Extreme Champion, Dylan Cage. Well, I think that was a reenactment of many last man standing victories that we've seen in the past.
Exactly what's gonna happen to you. Give some Blaze some tips.